Last time, seen alive and behaving very strange. Elisa Lam was 21 years old when she checked into the Cecil Hotel in Los Angeles. She was traveling alone. On January 31, 2013, she disappeared. But before she vanished, hotel surveillance captured her inside an elevator, and the footage was terrifying. She presses every button, peeks into the hallway, hides in the corner, gestures as if she's talking to someone, but no one else is visible. The elevator doors never close. She steps out and is never seen alive again. It took 19 days to find her. Hotel guests began complaining about low water pressure and a strange taste. A maintenance worker checked the rooftop water tanks. Inside one, they found Elisa's body, naked, lifeless, floating. The tank was sealed. The rooftop was locked. No alarms had gone off. To this day, no one knows how she got up there. No one knows who or what she saw. And no one knows what really happened after that elevator door finally closed.